a ship's engine broke down. They actually called in an engineer, and he was an old man. He didn't appear to be a very high-tech person. So he was carrying a small bag, and when he came in, he very closely scrutinized the engine. He very closely examined the engine. And after examining the engine, he reached a specific place and gently hit it with this hammer. In no time, the machine started working, and the man left. So after 2 days, the man sent a bill of about $10,000. It was too much. So they asked him to send an itemized list. So the old man said, the itemized list this way. There were only 2 lines. The first line stated $2 for hitting the hammer, and the rest of the money, $9,998, were to hit the hammer. So that is